How are you feeling?
Good.
Cool.
Easy, right?
Easy peasy.
You ever do anything like this before?
No. So work with me. My name is Austin Creagh, and I'm an Airfield Maintenance Technician on the marking crew as a Tech 2. A Tech is a laborer that's out here doing, like on our crew, with the marking crews, in charge of all the airfield markings, inside the gate, even the signages, and we even do parking decks outside the gate. I started out as a Technician 1 on the heavy maintenance on third shift, and then just about 8 months into being here, I was able to come over to first shift and get on the marking crew. We're in Charlotte, so you know the weather in North Carolina could be either hot or cold or rain, sunshine. Paint is always fading, paint's always needing to be redone. It's a never-ending cycle here. Another runway's being built, so we need more people, more hands on deck. The opportunities here are endless, and I'm very blessed to be here.
Does it ever get old for you?
No, it's always something new.
Always.
My name is Austin Creagh, and this is my CLT.